Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Snaps to Watch. We have another unboxing to do. I have this parcel for like, I don't know, more than a month now. Didn't have the chance to open it up only now. So we'll see what they are. So I see it is a bit heavy. I forgot what they are, what they are. But we'll see what they are. Okay. All right. Oh, okay. I think this is the Australian pennies and half penny. So I hope to get the rare ones. I think the rare ones on this Australian pre-decimal pennies are the 1920 and the 1930 pennies, and the half pennies are 1923 and 1915 and 16, I think. So it's a lot of them. All right. See what they are. Yeah, nice. Oh, it's a lot. And yeah, it was separated, eh? So what's this one? Oh, the pennies. Okay. And the other ones are the 1 penny. Okay. We'll check the half penny first. We'll see if we have the rare ones, namely 1923 and 1915 and 16, I think. Yeah. So what's this one? King George the Fifth. It is a 1947 half penny. Okay. This one, 1921. Come on, lucky 1923 or King George. Oh, 1913. This is 1953. Queen Elizabeth. It's another Queen Elizabeth one. 1963. So 1954. Here we go. 1943. I've been just using my mobile, my phone, making videos. So that's just what I use my mobile. 1913. Oh, 1916. Okay, it's 1916. So what's the rare 1916? Let me check. 1916. Oh, it's a mule coin that will be, the mint one. The Calcutta mint one. So yeah, this one wouldn't be this one. It's not minted in the Calcutta mint. Anyway, 1916 was this one. 1922. We did the 1923 half penny. Wouldn't be King George, because the era of 1923 will be King George the Fifth. So we'll just be looking at King George the Fifth. 913. 1920. Come on, 1923. This one. 1934. A penny. No, 54. In the Elizabeth era. This is King George the Fifth, and 1927. Other one. 1917. A penny. Looks nice, but it is a 1961 one. A penny. 49. George the Sixth. Same as this one, 1961. Not that one, not that one. Okay. $25. 1925 a penny. This one 1925 as well. Looks good. 1919 a penny. The reign of King George the Sixth. This is 1942. Wartime coin, 1942, a penny. This is 1943. Alright. Well, I see how 1 penny with a lot. King George the Fifth, and this is from 1919. Well, where's 1920? We need the 1920. Have a look. Look at this. Okay, so now we have the 1 penny. A lot of it. Oh wow. It's a lot. So we're looking for 1920 and 1930. Oh wow, okay. Here we go. 1941. 42. A lot of it. Oh wait. This one. 1922. Here we go. What we need is 1920 and 1930. The rare ones. 1919. This looks nice and shiny. 1944. Shiny one. Same as this. Oh, this is a nice one too. 1948. Come on, 1920 and 1930. 1919. It's a lot of 1919. Here we go. Oh, another 1919. 1922. 22 a penny. The other ones. Wouldn't look at the one with the kangaroo, because that's definitely not 1920 and 1930. What's this one? 1936 penny. There's a lot of it. 1933. Not that one. 1913. Penny. Oh, oh yep, no, that's 1916 one. 1913. This looks good. 1913, 1 penny. This one. 1922. So what's this? 1919. Oh, okay. This looks nice. Look at the patina. It's like red. 1943 Australian penny. Nice one. 1924. It's very rare. I see 1924 penny. 1917 and 1931. Okay, getting near. 1930, come on. 1936. Still a lot to go, eh? Okay, this one. Oh, upside down. 1923. 1923, yeah. 22. Oh, looks blue. 34. 1919. I've been to Australia, and yeah, it's a beautiful place. Climate wise, well, it is warm and sunny, but it is a very lovely place. Especially I've been to Cairns, and it is a very beautiful place. I like it. We swim in the Great Barrier Reef, and we did enjoy it as well. Here we go. Oh no, just looks good. This one, 1951 penny. Look at that, 1951 penny. Very nice. Looks like it's uncirculated. Very nice, eh? Very nice, very nice. Okay, this one, 33. Come on, 1921. We need 1920 or 1930. Those are the rare ones for the Australian pennies. Seems like 1911, 1912. Look at this. Very nice. Very nice looking 1 penny. Nice one. 1912. Right. Okay, this one. 17. 1921. Oh, 1920. 1920. Okay, we got one 1920. Alright. We'll keep it, and then we'll see what this one will be. 1950. Wow, got one. 44. 1914. This is a nice example as well. It's very nice. Look at that. Wow, got one. 1920. 1924. Wow. 1927. 1919. 1916. That's 1 penny. Here we go. What's this one? This looks nice. It's 1927, 1 penny. This looks nice. Where's the other ones? 1952. There you go. That's it. 1960. It's a different thing. Wow. Okay, we got the one. 1920, 1 penny. Okay, so these are the several varieties of 1920 exist mostly regarding the position of the dots on the reverse and the Indian or English reverse. The dot above the bottom scroll, red and brown. Dot above the bottom scroll, Indian reverse. Well, I don't know if this the Indian reverse though. I have to do research on this. If it's an Indian reverse or what. It says it's the best certified example known is PCGS MS66 red and brown. Dot above the bottom scroll. Dot above the bottom scroll. Oh, I see a dot there. Oh, this one maybe. Don't see any dots anywhere except for these two dots. But it says position of the dots on reverse, the Indian English reverses. Have to do more research on this one. But yes, we do have a 1920 1 penny. I just hope it's the right one. That, well, one was sold for 41,000 Australian dollars. That was September 2014. So, but anyway, we got one. We got one. So, hopefully, it have a good value. When we see what's the price. Oh, it says the variety. There's a lot of varieties actually, and the expensive one is the one that have dot above lower scroll, and the Indian mint or the design. But yeah, anyway, I have 120. And okay, so this is a double dot, I think. Okay, we have one dot and two dot. So that's a double dot. And I see its values from $82.70 up to 1,330. Wow. Okay. Nice one. Okay, we got I think we got a jackpot. I think. Well, considering the whole lot of it. See, I don't know how many kilo or probably more than a kilo. I forgot yeah, I used to keep tabs on my or the coins that I bought, but yeah, sometimes I forget about it. Here we go. Thank you. So I hope yeah, this is a high value one. Thank you. I hope you all have a good day.